Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix assistive touch not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First solution, while assistive touch is not working, turn assistive touch on and off. So you have, in case the assistive touch button disappears, and iPhone users can manually enable and disable the setting multiple times. So you have open the setting, click on accessibility, click on touch, click on assistive touch. So you, and this option you have turn on and off 2 or 3 times or many times. So you have assistive touch allows you to use your iPhone if you have difficulty touching the screen or if you require an adaptive accessory. So then this options you have this while using. Then second solution, you have restart your iPhone. So you have press the volume up, volume down, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart if your problem will be fixed. Then third solution, you have reset all settings. Assistive touch not moving can also be solved if you reset all setting. It means that the setting linked with the network, the home screen layout, location, and privacy, the keyboard dictionary, and Apple Pay codes will be deleted. However, all other data will be kept. So you have open setting, click on general. So you have click on transfer or reset iPhone. So then click on reset our setting. iPhone given a password, then you have enter a password. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all settings, then your problem will be fixed. And then last solution, you have reset assistive touch option. So then in this situation, so you have the assistive touch button not working issue is still there. Is iOS is not solved by turning off and on options. You may can change the setting of the iPhone feature by mistakes. If all the features from the assistive touch list or deleted by mistakes, only make sure Siri active. So you have opened the Siri and you have command of the Siri in turn on and off with the Siri, and then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.